Laptop shows a blue screen during boot, and suddenly you are stuck, stressed, and confused. Do not worry. In the next 10 seconds, I will tell you exactly why this happens and how technicians fix it in real life. If your laptop shows a blue screen before Windows loads, the most common reason is a system file or driver failure. This is usually called blue screen of death, also known as BSOD. First solution, force restart the laptop 3 times, press and hold the power button until the laptop turns off. Do this during the Windows loading logo. After the 3rd time, Windows will enter automatic repair mode. Select Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, then select Startup Repair. This tool automatically fixes corrupted boot files and works in many real cases. Second solution, if Startup Repair fails, go back to Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, then click Restart. After restart, press number 4 to enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode loads only essential drivers. If the laptop boots in safe mode, the problem is a faulty driver or recent software. Now, uninstall recently installed drivers, especially graphics driver, network driver, or antivirus software. Restart normally and check again. Third solution, use System Restore. Go to Advanced Options, select System Restore. Choose a restore point created before the blue screen started. This rolls back system files without deleting personal data. Technicians use this method very often. Fourth solution, check disk and system files. From Advanced Options, open Command Prompt, type SFC /SCANNOW, press Enter. Then type CHKDSK C:/F/R, press Enter. These commands repair damaged Windows files and bad disk sectors. Fifth solution, if the blue screen error mentions memory or random codes, test the RAM. Remove the charger, remove the battery if possible. Open the back panel, clean the RAM slot, reseat the RAM properly. Faulty memory causes boot time blue screens very frequently. Final solution, if nothing works, reset Windows using Keep My Files option. This fixes deep system corruption while saving your data. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe. This is Tech Vibes, solving real problems with real solutions.